Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about something very important. If you are learning English, this video is for you. I know how hard it can be. I was also an English learner once. I made many mistakes. I felt shy, confused, and even scared sometimes. But I kept going and I learned a lot. So today, I want to help you. We will talk about the top 5 mistakes English learners make. But more than that, we will talk about how to fix them. These are mistakes I made too. So I understand. Don't worry. You are not alone. Let's start with the first big mistake. Mistake number 1. Trying to be perfect. This is a very common problem. Many English learners want to speak perfectly. They are afraid to make mistakes. So they stay silent. They wait until they feel ready. But that day never comes. I used to do this too. I didn't speak much because I thought, what if I say it wrong? I was always worried about grammar and pronunciation. I wanted every sentence to be perfect. But that stopped me from learning. The truth is, mistakes are good. Yes, you heard me right. Mistakes help you learn. They show you what you need to improve. And most people are kind. They will understand you, even if you make small mistakes. So what should you do? Speak anyway. Don't wait to be perfect. Speak with friends, with teachers, even with yourself. Yes, speaking to yourself is a great way to practice. You can describe what you are doing. For example, I am washing the dishes. Or now I am walking to the store. Also, record your voice. Listen to it. You will hear what you can improve. But you will also hear how much you already know. That feels great. It gives you confidence. Now let's go to the second mistake. Mistake number 2. Only studying grammar and vocabulary. Grammar is important. Vocabulary is important. But they are not everything. Many learners spend all their time reading grammar books. They memorize long lists of words. But when it's time to speak, they can't. They forget. They freeze. This happened to me too. I knew many rules. I knew many words. But I could not speak well. I was stuck. That's when I realized, knowing the rules is not the same as using them. So here's the fix. Use English in real life. Listen to it. Read it. Speak it. Write it. Not just study it. Here are some tips. Listen to English every day. Watch YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Choose topics you like. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just keep listening. Your brain will learn. Read simple books. Storybooks for children are great. Or read news articles made for learners. Reading helps you see grammar and words in context. You learn naturally. Use apps. There are many good apps for learning English. Duolingo, HelloTalk, and others. Use them to practice daily. Even 10 minutes a day helps. Speak with real people if you can. Join a speaking club. Talk to a language partner. Or speak with a tutor online. The more you use English, the better you get. Let's move to mistake number 3. Mistake number 3. Being afraid to speak. This one is big. I was afraid too. I didn't want to look silly. I thought people would laugh at me. I didn't trust myself. But here's the truth. Fear stops you. It doesn't help you. You have to let it go. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to try. People will not laugh. Most people are happy that you are trying. They will help you. And every time you speak, you get better. Here are some ways to feel less afraid. Start small. Say 1 sentence. Then 2. Then 3. You don't have to speak for hours. Just start. Practice with yourself first. Stand in front of a mirror. Talk about your day. Talk about your plans. This builds confidence. Use simple words. You don't need fancy language. Clear and simple is best. Remember, you are learning. It's okay to be slow. It's okay to forget. Just keep speaking. Now let's look at mistake number 4. Mistake number 4. Not being consistent. Some people study a lot one day, then stop for a week. They forget what they learned. Then they feel bad. They lose motivation. I did this too. I would study hard for a few days. Then I got busy. I stopped. And I forgot. It felt like starting over every time. But learning a language is like building a house. You need to put one brick every day. Just one. But every day. So here's how to fix this. Make a small habit. Study 10 minutes a day. Or 15. That's enough. The key is to do it every day. Even on busy days. Use your phone. Set reminders. Use apps. Practice while waiting in line or on the bus. Make English part of your life. Change your phone language to English. Follow English accounts on social media. Watch English shows. Don't try to do too much. Just a little every day. That's how you grow. And now, mistake number 5. Mistake number 5. Comparing yourself to others. This is so common. You see someone speak better than you. You feel bad. You think, I will never be that good. I used to do this all the time. I compared myself to native speakers. Or to advanced learners. I felt slow. I felt stupid. But this thinking is not fair. Everyone learns at their own speed. Everyone has their own journey. You don't know how long that person has been learning. You don't know their story. So instead of comparing, focus on your progress. Look at where you were 1 month ago, 6 months ago, 1 year ago. You have improved. I promise. Celebrate small wins. Did you understand a video? Great. Did you have a short conversation? Amazing. Every step counts. Remember, learning a language takes time. It's not a race. It's a journey. Enjoy it. Now, let's talk about something important. You might feel tired. You might feel stuck. You might think about giving up. But please don't. You are doing something amazing. Learning a new language is not easy. It takes courage. It takes time. But you are doing it. Be proud of yourself. Every word you learn is a victory. Every time you speak, you grow. Don't let fear stop you. Don't let mistakes stop you. Keep going. You are not alone. Millions of people are learning English right now. They also feel shy. They also make mistakes. But they keep going. And you can too. So here is my message to you. Don't give up. You are better than you think. Keep practicing. Keep speaking. Keep learning. One step at a time. English will open new doors for you. You will make new friends. Get better jobs. Travel more. Understand more of the world. It is worth it. Thank you for watching. I believe in you. Keep going. You can do it. See you in the next video.